Unveiling the mystery, the X-37B and the US-Sino Space Rivalry. In the realm of the stars, a new rivalry takes shape. The US and China, locked in a cosmic game of chess, vie for supremacy. The X-37B, the US's secret weapon. Unmarked, unmanned, this spaceplane orbits Earth, its mission shrouded in mystery, fueling speculation and intrigue. China responds, launching their own space initiatives. Their missions spark curiosity, but also concern. What is the nature of these celestial expeditions? The X-37B's capabilities remain classified, its purpose uncertain. Yet its existence alone escalates the tension, pushing this space race into uncharted territory. This isn't just about technological prowess. It's a battle of ideologies, a clash of superpowers, a new frontier in the enduring US-Sino rivalry. In this video, we unpack the implications of this space race, exploring the X-37B, its role, and the larger geopolitical chessboard it resides on. Join us as we delve into the depths of the universe, where the echoes of terrestrial politics reverberate, shaping the future of space exploration.